So now when we have everything we need for the front panel, we can pull it all together. So, and put it to the side. Now what we need more? We need to replace antenna. As you see that I don't have it here. So now is the time of antenna. First of all, we'll take away the main board, the UI board, and etc. So it's done. First comes the UI board, and then the main board. Also, be careful, don't lose the base battery. I will install it right now. So ready. So the antenna, how to take it away? If you see it's fixed over there, so better, for example, with the screw, you should push it and you should try to turn it. It's really hard to push, but after click you should try to turn and pull it away. So you see it's fixed with this. So now I can put it, the antenna, into my middle frame. So fixed. Lost the battery. So now we can push everything together. So the main board, the UI board. Pay attention in order not to lose the volume buttons. So first with these two screws, then one more. So now we can put the front panel. Always, if we talk about Nokia 6150, we started on the top to assemble it. So, and now time for screws. So, as we see now, we had not much, but now we have a good item for our collection in new cover with as new keyboard. Yeah, only use glass, but you know, if you just put it in the window glass, no one will see it. So everything is almost perfect, but the problem is that before we had the sticker with the serial number, and it's really nice to have it. So there is one more useful life hack, how to take away from the old middle part the sticker, how to take away the sticker and put it onto the new. To be honest, it takes most of it, attention and really long practice, but I will show you how to do that. Maybe you'll cope with this also.